Today I'm gonna teach you Rubik cube, simple in 30 seconds. First rule: this is R, your right hand side, and this is L, your left hand side. This is back. This is back. It's called B. This is F, your front side. F, front side. This is U, your upper side. Cube, upper side. Okay, this only. Now start from. I want to start from white. First you make it like this. First plus you make. This is first plus. Okay. Now it's opposite color. Do like this. This is R. U R back. L U L back. Simple. It's simple. R U R back. L U L back. R U R back. Simple. Its first layer is it's fast completed. Now go to the second layer. Same procedure. R U L U L back. R U R back. R U R back. L U L back. Simple. R U R back. L U L back. R U L U L back. R U R back. Now second layer also complete. Now we are going to plus making formula. Yellow plus making formula. Upper plus making formula also called F U R U back R back F back. F U R U back R back F back. Now plus solving formula R U R back U R U 2 R back. This is just simple L. You hold like this. R U R back U R U 2 R back. Again R U R back U R U 2 R back. Simple final formula. F2. Sorry. This wanna make it complete. You hold like this. F2 U R back L back F2 R L U F2. Again, once again. F2 U R back L back F2 R L U F2. It's finished. I hope you like this formula and solving cube. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget subscribe, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.